This is the PentaUSA Tile Grout Repair Kit in beige, and it has been amazing for fixing the cracks and gaps we've had in our grout. Our builder didn't install the tile correctly, so over time the grout started cracking and even breaking out completely in some areas. This repair kit has honestly made such a difference. The formula is fast drying and really easy to work with. In the spot I'm showing here, the grout was completely missing, so I actually already did 2 coats and it filled in perfectly. Once it dries, it feels strong and solid, not crumbly or chalky like some of the other cheaper repair kits. The color blends in well with our existing grout, and the included scraper tool makes it easy to smooth everything out. It sticks well, cures quickly, and has held up great so far, even in the high traffic areas of our kitchen. If you're dealing with cracked grout or spots where the original grout has disappeared, this PentaUSA repair kit is definitely worth keeping on hand. Quick, strong, and super easy to apply.